Good morning, guys. Jeff with HKS Systems Lock Safe. Hope you're doing well today. Today we're, it's Monday today. Just got done with Thanksgiving, and we're busy. Already booked out till Thursday. So I need to get my wife some batteries for her car remote. And I don't do automotive, as you know. That's like one of my things I used to do, don't do anymore. Just not enough time, not enough profit in it for me. Plenty of profit in it for somebody that wants to do that. I prefer to do safes. Technology doesn't change as much and a lot less issues with people. Most safes are usually going to be one and done, whereas cars are sometimes problematic. But dead batteries, whatever, crazy customers. But today we're going to be doing something a little different. We do ADA door closers and openers. So today we're going to be switching this out. The switch in there went bad. If you don't know, this is just literally a open and close. You push it and it closes the contacts. Those contacts go out to the opener. The opener should open then at that point. It's iffy at best. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Batteries, this one doesn't take batteries, but that one's been in place in the location since it's been open, so it doesn't even have printing left on it. So it's quite old. Can you replace the switch? Probably, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do the new one since you're supposed to have the ability to see that. And that one was completely worn off. It's completely silver at this point. So we're going to go do that. We got a safe to open today, a Mosler. I'll send a picture up here. Show you that. I think I'm going to manipulate that one open, but if not, take in the kit, some drill bits, and we'll be back. We'll check in this morning. Thanks. All right, guys, so what we got up here is a double door, double operator, which is pretty rare. You don't see that. Magnetic system in there, with a PIR, but what we're dealing with today is going to be the push button on the outside. If you don't know, typically these little holes in there, you can see those little holes are Allen keys. Allen keys would then go in. I'm sorry, hex keys technically. Go in, set screws will be inside the back of that. Unscrew it, pull it off, change it out. Some of these are battery operated, other ones are not. These are not. These are actually hardwired, which is a better system, but we'll be back. Alright, guys, since it's Monday, of course those guys didn't want to come out of there, so we ended up having to re-drill and re-tap those holes. Luckily there is a backup. If you look at the side, most of the posts have an actual little screw there. You can see one on one side, one on the other side, and then all that does is just unscrews and holds the cover in place. So you can see the little marks there on the side that it ran into. So all you got to do then is wire it up. It doesn't matter. There's no power to it. It's just literally a dead short. So either one of those terminals, put it together and test it. Be right back. All right, red to red, black to black. Wires back in. This is the new button. And if everything goes all right and we press it, should open the door. Look at that. No problems. The last one you had to bang and push back and forth, wiggle back and forth, and it's good to go. So if you need service for this, give us a call. We're going to be stopping over at the other location we actually put the whole system into. So we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, guys, since we're on the subject of automated door closers, I just want to show you what we've been working with. We installed this recently. It is the ADA Easy system. Really nice. It does not require power. There was an original closer here, which was a mess. So that was covered. I don't know who took that off, but anyways, it is a powered system that is actually, every time the door opens, it charges a system. It's got a big capacitor in there. It charges the battery every time the door opens, and then if it doesn't have no power whatsoever to it, it just charges by opening and closing. And then it also has the ADA compliant button. automatically opens. Stays open for the allotted time, which is about 8 seconds on this model, and it closes. Once again, there is no power ran to that. It is all based on a generator inside that charges the onboard battery system. If it never gets used, it's good for 3,000 uses, which is really incredible. So if you need something for that, give us a call. HKS Systems Lock and Safe, 847-204-7046. Thanks. All right, guys, Jeff with HKS Systems, working on the Mosler safe. You know the deal with these ones. If you don't, you can look through my other videos. Hand change, we're going to decode it, put it all to a nice, easy combo for them, and button this guy up, clean the lube with the lock. We'll take a little bit of picture if we can. It's right in the boardroom. Of course, now they're having a meeting in any minute, so we're going to put this all back together and oil it up, give it some tender love and care it needs, test it a couple times, close it up, and be done. We'll be back. I'll see if I could do some video. If not, I'll take some quick pictures. We'll be back. All right, guys, tight quarters in here, so I'm trying to give you everything I can. It's about a 4.5, 5 foot tall Mosler. It's the protection system. It's the file cabinet system. So this one's sort of cool. It actually slides back, gets out of the way. But old safe. Just get you a quick picture of the goodies in there. Pretty simplistic. Old grease. Took that all apart, decoded it, and now I'm going to be putting the back panel on and putting a light coat of oil in there, and then be done with it. We'll be back. Thanks.